Welcome to this Senior 1 Mathematics class. We are looking at even and odd numbers. We have started with even numbers and we are now on example 3. Example 3 says, list down the even numbers from 1 to 9. So for part A, it is saying from 1 to 9. So let us first list the natural numbers from 1 to 9. And then after that, we'll look for even numbers. So, natural numbers from 1 to 9. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. From 1 to 9 means 1 and 9 are inclusive. They are part of this range of natural numbers. So after this, we then go to even numbers. So from 1 to 9 here, we shall look for numbers which are even. In other words, we shall look for numbers for which 2 is a factor, or when we divide them by 2, the remainder is 0. 1 cannot be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, we get 1, and the remainder is 0. So 2 is an even number. 3 is not even because 3 divided by 2, we get 1, and the remainder is 1. 4 divided by 2, yes, 4 is an even number because we get 2 and the remainder is 0. And 5 divided by 2, no. 6 divided by 2, we get 3 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, 6 is an even number. 7 is an odd number. Why? Because if you divide 7 by 2, you get 3 and the remainder is 1. Just because there is a remainder, 2 is not a factor of 7, and thus 7 is not an even number. 8 divided by 2, we get 4 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, 8 is an even number. These are the even numbers that we can notice from 1 to 9. We go to part B, 18 to 26. So we first start by listing those numbers from 18 to 26. It will be, these are natural numbers from 18 to 26. So we list them. That becomes 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. From 2 means that it begins from 18 up to 26. Then in this range, let's look for even numbers. These are numbers that if you divide by 2, there is no remainder. They become 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26. You keep on testing on the calculator, divide each number by 2. If there is a remainder, you discard it. But if there is no remainder, it is an even number. Then we go to part C. Part C says from 12 to 20. So what are the natural numbers in this range? When 12 and 20 are inclusive, we shall say it begins 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. And then of these numbers, we shall look for even numbers. Those ones for which 2 is a factor, or those ones, if you divide by 2, the remainder is 0. This becomes 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So those are the even numbers in that range. Always keep on using the calculator. Divide each of the numbers by 2. If there is a remainder or if there is a decimal point, it is not even. That implies that automatically it is an odd number.